Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A tropical oasis is brought into your home, even on a budget. Transform your space with simple DIY techniques for lush greenery and a relaxing atmosphere, without breaking the bank. It's the middle of winter and you're dreaming of warm sun and lush foliage. You miss the vibrant colors and calming vibes of a tropical paradise, but who has the space, or the budget, for a real-life tropical escape? Transform your space into a mini tropical haven without breaking the bank. You don't need a huge yard or a green thumb to bring the tropics inside. Learn how to create a lush, vibrant, and affordable indoor garden. Low-maintenance picks. Start with easy-to-care-for plants like snake plants, ZZ plants, and peace lilies. Tropical vibes. Embrace the classics, Monstera deliciosa, Ficus lyrata, and bird of paradise. Budget-friendly options. Look for affordable options at local nurseries or explore online plant stores. Natural light. Find the brightest spot in your home and make the most of natural light. Humidify the air. Use a humidifier to mimic a tropical climate and keep your plants happy. DIY tropical decor. Add touches of tropical flair with bamboo planters, woven baskets, and colorful accent pieces. Repurposed containers. Give old items a new life as planters, mason jars, tin cans, vintage teapots, DIY terrariums. Create miniature tropical ecosystems using clear glass containers and moss. Affordable decor. DIY tropical artwork and wall hangings using natural elements and crafts. Watering techniques. Learn the proper watering techniques to keep your plants thriving. Light temperature. Understand the light and temperature requirements of your tropical plants. Troubleshooting. Learn how to identify and solve common indoor plant problems. Share your oasis. Show off your DIY indoor oasis on social media and inspire others to create their own. The benefits. Enjoy the calming benefits of a tropical oasis, improve air quality, and bring a touch of the outdoors inside. Keep it going. Your indoor tropical garden can evolve and grow with you, adding new plants and exploring more DIY ideas. A spacious, sun-drenched outdoor living room, hyperrealistic, with a lush green wall of plants and tropical foliage surrounding a comfortable seating area. Natural light floods the room, illuminating the wooden furniture and woven rugs. Beige, cream, and light brown colors dominate the palette, creating a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Rustic wooden benches and a low coffee table are arranged around a large, woven rug. Round, woven poofs add a touch of texture and comfort. A large flat-screen TV is mounted on a light gray wall. Large windows offer a view of a flourishing garden outside. Hanging string lights and a wicker pendant lamp add a touch of bohemian flair. A display of various succulents and cacti in terracotta and blue ceramic pots on wooden shelves against a dark gray, textured wall. 2 tiers of shelves, each filled with a variety of succulents, including echeverias, sedums, and various cacti in different sizes and shapes. The pots are a mix of terracotta and a muted, textured blue, with ornate patterns on some. Wooden shelves are distressed and have a warm, antique brown color. The wall has a slightly rough, uneven surface texture. The background is a muted, neutral color palette with touches of gold and tan from the sunlight filtering through a window. There is a vertical wooden display rack with more plants in the corner. A spacious, tranquil room, inspired by Japanese and tropical aesthetics. Hyperrealistic rendering of a living space featuring a large window overlooking a lush, vibrant green garden. Natural light streams in, illuminating the room with a warm, inviting glow. The color palette is earthy tones of beige, brown, and muted greens, accented by the rich green foliage. A low seating area, composed of a light gray, low-profile sofa with bamboo supports, sits amidst woven rugs and round cushions. The furniture and accessories are made from natural materials like bamboo, rattan, and stone. Hanging pendant lights, made of woven bamboo, are suspended from the ceiling. A spacious, sun-drenched interior courtyard, hyper-realistic, featuring arched doorways and columns supporting a high-vaulted ceiling. Large, arched windows framed in dark wood, showcase lush greenery outside. The space is furnished with a light beige/cream sectional sofa and coffee table made of rustic wood, complemented by 2 large, round, tan beanbag chairs. Extensive potted tropical plants, like palms and broad-leafed plants, are strategically placed, adding a sense of rich, vibrant landscaping within the space. The flooring consists of a warm, light beige stone or tile. Natural light streams through the windows, casting soft shadows across the surfaces and creating a cozy, inviting ambience. A vibrant and lush assortment of houseplants in various decorative pots against a teal-blue wall. 4 potted plants fill the image: a broadleaf plant with large, bold green leaves, a peace lily with elegant, delicate leaves, a vibrant red and green plant with bold, colorful foliage, and a sword plant with elongated, striking green leaves, set against a rich teal-blue wall. The plants are displayed in unique pots: a woven light beige basket, a textured deep teal blue pot, a patterned, terracotta-toned orange pot with a woven design, and a dark brown woven basket. A black lantern rests beside the red and green plant, holding a lit candle. Photorealistic interior scene, a sun-drenched room with a rustic concrete wall. Large windows with dark frames offer a view of lush greenery outside. Various potted plants, including palm trees, banana trees, and leafy foliage, are strategically placed around a light beige couch with white cushions. Baskets are used as planters. Floor is light beige stone tiles, showing sunlit patterns. Natural light creates soft shadows across the walls and floor. Warm, neutral color palette, with accents of varying shades of green from the foliage. Focus on natural elements and the interplay of light and shadow.